Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating a safe, effective rinse. Mix apple cider vinegar and water at a 1:3 ratio, 1 part ACV to 3 parts water, so it's gentle on the scalp. Once mixed, do a patch test behind the ear and wait 24 hours for any reaction. If you feel burning, stop. Make sure your hair is detangled and you're wearing an old shirt because the liquid can drip. Now move immediately to wetting hair and applying the solution. You'll work methodically. Wet your hair, then section it into 3 to 4 parts so the rinse reaches the scalp evenly. Once done, pour or spray the diluted ACV onto each section and use your fingers to massage the scalp for 2 to 3 minutes to dissolve buildup and restore pH balance. Make sure to move down the lengths so cuticles smooth out. After a short pause, 2 to 5 minutes depending on your sensitivity, thoroughly rinse with cool or lukewarm water. You finish by applying a lightweight conditioner to mid-lengths only, avoiding the scalp so pores stay clear, then towel dry gently. Once done, style as usual and limit apple cider vinegar rinses to once weekly. Make it twice weekly only if hair is very oily or has heavy buildup. If you notice stinging, redness, or excessive dryness, stop immediately and rinse hair thoroughly, then dilute future mixes to 1 part ACV to 4 parts water.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.